Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Mondeo. First thing is we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But if we go over here to telephone, no phone, but it's already in pairing mode. If you click, see there, Ford Audio, it's already come up, but if you click on Bluetooth there, it says select active phone, so you can swap between you if you're already paired, but this is what we want. So click on Ford Audio.
Please enter the PIN which is shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
So that's it, 5932. 5932 pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? Allow. And there we go, Ford Audio is connected. That's how you pair.